Okay, watch this. I just asked this website a question, and it answered me in my voice. I've had the opportunity to work on a diverse range of projects. In full stack development, I've built with my advice, but I'm not the one typing. That's an AI version of me. And I built it this morning. One prompt, no code. At the 6-minute mark, I'll show you something that made me stop and rewind. Stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build your own. Here's something I'm guessing you deal with too. If you put anything out into the world, videos, posts, a newsletter, you end up answering the same questions over and over. And you can't be online 24/7. You have a life? I've actually lost followers over this. Someone messages me, waits 3 days, hears nothing back, and just leaves. That's not on them, that's the gap. The gap between when someone needs your help and when you're actually there. A few years ago, closing that gap meant hiring a developer and spending serious money. Today, it's one prompt. Let me prove it. So this is Manus. Quick disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Manus, the tool I used to build this, but I'll be straight. I picked the demo, and everything you're about to see is a real build, happening in real time. Nothing staged. Now, before we touch anything, let me clear something up, because I know what you're picturing. You've seen AI tools that spit out a nice-looking web page and call it done. It's not this. Think of it this way. Most AI tools give you a front door. Manus builds the whole house, the front door, the rooms, the storage, the locks. You just describe what you want. It handles the rest. The slightly more technical version, it builds the page you see up front, plus a real backend, a database, and a login system running behind it. So keep one thing in your head. This is not a landing page. It's a working web app. Big difference. All I'm doing is typing out what I want in plain English. No technical language, no code. I'm basically saying, build me a website with a chatbot version of me trained on my content that answers people's questions. Hit enter. Now here's my favorite part. Before Manus writes a single line of code, it shows me the blueprint. A plan, here's the structure, here's the style, and here are the extra features I can switch on. I want the chatbot, so I turn that on. And I get to look at the whole thing and go, yeah, that's exactly what I want. Before anything actually gets built. I'm in control the whole time. Looks good. Let's run it. Watch what's happening under the hood, because this is the part that genuinely got me. I handed Manus my existing content, and right now it's reading through all of it. Figuring out how I actually talk, the way I phrase things, the advice I tend to give. And while it's doing that, it's also building the front end, wiring up the back end, setting up a database, and configuring the chatbot itself. Here's the thing I want you to notice. I have not touched a single API key. I didn't set up a server. I didn't write any config. It's just doing all of it. Give it a minute, and it's basically assembling an entire product while I sit here and talk to you. All right, it's done. And this is the moment I've been building towards since the first second of this video. Let's open it up. Here's the live site. Clean, right? And look, Ace, there's already a login built in. Didn't make that either. Manus just added it. Okay, this is the moment I actually wanted to show you. Let me talk to it. I'm going to ask my AI twin a question I get asked all the time. And there it is. That's genuinely my answer. That's the advice I'd give. Let me try one more, something a little trickier. Okay, that's a little spooky. In the best possible way, that's me. I've had the opportunity to work on a diverse range of projects. In full stack development, I've built e-commerce platforms, handling everything from product catalogs to secure payment gateways. SaaS applications. Developing scalable solutions for various business needs, often involving complex data models and user interfaces. APIs and microservices. Designing and implementing robust backend systems. In the AL space, I've explored. Except it's living on a website, answering people, while I'm off doing literally anything else. Remember what I said at the start? About answering the same questions at 2 a.m.? About losing followers because of the gap? This is the answer. Right here. This thing never sleeps. And look, an AI version of you answering questions around the clock is one thing. But what about everything else piling up behind the scenes? The files, the invoices, the folders you haven't touched in months. We already solved that. In the last video, I gave Manus full access to my computer. 47 invoices renamed in 6 minutes, 8 months of folder chaos sorted while I watched. 1 sentence each time. Link is on screen if that's the problem you actually need to fix right now. Okay, so here's where I want to pause for a second. Because after I built this, I started wondering, what else can Manus actually do? So I tested it. Same process. One prompt, different idea. I asked it to build a lead capture page for a product, done in minutes. I asked it to build a simple booking tool, done. A private client portal with login, done. And every single time, same thing. Blueprint first, so I could see exactly what was coming. Then the full build, backend included. Here's what clicked for me. Manus isn't just an AI clone tool. It's basically a developer you can talk to. Whatever you can describe, it can build. A store, a membership site, a tool for your audience, all from plain English. That's the part most people are going to miss. They'll watch this video, build their AI twin, and stop there. Don't stop there. And if your problem is documents and data, 600-page reports, spreadsheets, pitch decks you're building manually at midnight, we solved that too. Full video on it. 15 slides from a 600-page report. 20 branded pitch decks in 1 hour. Link on screen. Every Manus video solves a different problem. Start with yours. Here's the part most people skip. Because a cool AI clone sitting at some random URL nobody knows about? Useless. 2 things. First, I'm connecting a custom domain, 1 click, and it gets secured automatically. Second, the structure Manus builds is already clean for search engines, which means people can actually find it on Google. So this isn't a demo anymore. It's not a toy. It's a real product, live on the internet that people can discover, visit, and talk to. All from 1 prompt. 2 things stood out beyond just the build. First, there's a dashboard showing me who's visiting and who's chatting with my twin. Real audience data pulled straight from actual conversations. That alone changes how I think about content. Second, and this is what sealed it for me, I can export the whole thing to GitHub and own my code outright. I'm not locked into Manus forever. I can take it anywhere. That's actual ownership. And that's rare. Oh, and there's a 1-click undo if I break something. That last part, I definitely needed that. So let's take a breath and recap what just happened. 1 prompt turned into a live web app, built on my content, with a database, a login system, a custom domain, and an AI version of me answering questions around the clock. That's wild to me. If you want to build your own, whether it's a clone of you, a store, a portal, whatever, Manus gives you a free balance to get started so you can test and build your first project using your redeem credits. I'll drop the link down in the description. Seriously, go make something. And come back and show me what you built. I read the comments. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.